Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Apple Joy A. Olef. I am 32 years old. I am the youngest in the family. I have two brothers and one sister. I have also one daughter. She is 8 years old now.
What is your religion?
I am born again.
Okay, and you're married?
I have a live-in partner, Mom.
Okay, how long you been together?
We've been together 14 years now.
14 years. No plan on getting married for now.
Not yet.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
I graduate, college graduate. I took up HRM, Hotel and Restaurant Management for 2 years.
Okay, is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, Mom.
Have you ever worked as a helper before?
Yes, Mom. I work here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 3 members in the family, one couple and 5 years old kid.
Is it a boy or girl?
It's a boy, Mom.
Okay, so how do you take care of him before?
I cook and clean the house.
No, the little boy. How do you take care of him?
I take a bath on him and I send him in the school, Mom.
Okay, so beside caring of him, what else you do as a helper in the house?
I do the household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing, marketing.
Okay. So now you're planning to work in Hong Kong.
Yes,
Who will
Mom.
look for your child if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother-in-law, Mom.
Your
And my-
family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, Mom.
And if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will keep myself busy in working in the house, Mom.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me and for 1 year.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my family, Mom, and for the future of my daughter, Mom.
Okay. Are you willing to look for newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to share room with the baby?
Yes, Mom.
You love kids?
Yes, Mom.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. There's a grandparent staying in the house. There's no problem with you?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, Mom.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hello, Mom and Sir. I will promise that I will take good care of your family and to your kids. I'm willing to work. I am willing to learn. What do you want me to do in your house?
You're willing to learn how to cook Chinese food as well.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2326.